I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your PayPal wallet is a straightforward process, and I am here to guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open the PayPal app or website and log in using your credentials. This is the first step to accessing your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once logged in, look for the Wallet option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Add a new card. In the Wallet section, click on Link a debit or credit card. You will be prompted to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in the required fields, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card details, review everything for accuracy and click Save. You may receive a verification email or message to confirm the addition. Just a heads up, if you don't see the Save button, make sure all fields are filled correctly, as incomplete information can prevent you from proceeding. I hope this guide helps you add your debit card to PayPal without any hassle. Happy transacting!